up, Tree Tribe? Welcome back to another video with your girl TrinaWild. As you can tell by the title, you will be getting slayed on a budget. As always, you know your girl always comes in clutch for you. If I got some tips and tricks up my sleeves, I'm going to pass it on to you, because at Tree Tribe we consist of nothing but truth, tears, and triumph. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? I know we didn't even get into the video, but we comment hard, okay? So you might as well join the Tree Tribe and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what is to come. Honestly, I've been doing this little trick for a while because I've been done dirty too many times. And if you don't like the way that something's done, why not learn to do it yourself, right? So we will be saving our coins today. We will be bringing this to that. So to start off, let me tell you guys what I've done. Girl, let me tell you, Tribe, let me tell you, there's something by the name of Amazon. Please do not sleep on Amazon, because Amazon has come in clutch with a lot of the things that I have gotten today. In order for you to proceed with this process, these are the things that you are going to need, right? You're going to need your lash curler. You're going to need, this is an extension tweezer. You're going to need a regular tweezer to tweeze and, you know, put that on there. I'm going to use a spoolie for today. And I don't know if I said it, but you're going to need some scissors, like some small scissors. Now for the two important things, you're going to need some lash glue. This is the lash glue that I will be using today. I will link it down below. I also will be using 2 pairs of lashes. Honestly, my hope is to use just one, because I want that natural, cute, they're there but not too much, like not too fluffy look. But if you want that fluffy look, you'll need 2 pairs. So I'll be using 1 pair for today, maybe. It depends on if there's gaps or not. Ready? So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to obviously take that off. We're going to gently remove this from the container, from the package, and we're going to be focusing on 1 lash for now. So if you look here, you'll be cutting in between each little individual gaps, right? So that's your outline. You'll be cutting in between each little gap, and I'll have a total of 9 little pieces. Tribe, as you can see, my lashes have a mind of their own. Unlike other people, I actually have to prep my lashes. So what I do is I take my spoolie and I kind of brush them up and just get them ready. Try to form them into one spot. I'm gonna be looking over here too, because my mirror's over here. Curl them up a little bit so that they could be uniformed going upwards. So what I don't want is, I don't want the glue to get in the way of my lashes. I don't want my lashes getting in the way of the glue. I don't want the glue touching my lashes like that. So I'm going to just have them all go up. Comb through just a little bit. Alright, so for the most part, they are somewhat uniformed, going upwards at least. As I said before, my lashes have a mind of its own. They just be going this way, that way. So I just kind of gotta do the extra step, getting them uniformed, going upwards. So that's done. Now it is time for the fun part. When you're done cutting, this is how it should look. I kind of have them in order from where, you know, like dated. So this is like the shorter part, which would go on the inner corner. I'll just be using the lash case, but you can use whatever little surface that you want. I won't be using too much because it dries very fast. So I'll be using about that much, nothing too much. A dot of that, and I'll be using that for now. So I'm going to start with that end piece. It should be about this big. You literally just want to dab your little lash onto the glue. Literally a dab, just a little. And if you put too much, like if you see a ball on top of it, you want to kind of dab it off. I want your tweezer as close as possible. What I do is I lift my lash completely up and put it on that waterline. Right there. Hold it for about 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Another. So we got one lash on there and I'm feeling like a baddie already. Okay. And you continue the process. You gonna what?
I don't even feel like doing anything right now, but I want to go.
Bro, that's the type of time I'm on, low key.
You showed me all these other pictures.
It's a perfect scenario. Look at this. My eye is tearing up. Your eye will start tearing up when the glue touches your eye. So as I was putting this on, it kind of got too close to my eyeball and it started dripping. This is okay. This is a normal reaction. It doesn't hurt. Well, not that bad. It's like, nah, it doesn't really hurt. Honestly, it's just a reaction. Like your eyeball is telling you, there's something touching your eyeball. Remove it now. You obviously don't want any tears to mess with the glue, because the tears won't allow your glue to stick on. So I'm just gonna wipe that off real quick. Dry that down. Okay, what's that? I only got one eye done and I'm feeling like a baddie. Feeling like a baddie. Feeling like a baddie. You know, feeling like a baddie. As she should. Okay, we have a whole nother pack just in case. So I'm going to finish this eye, see how it looks, see if it's even. If it needs some, you know, a little bit more adjusting, that's fine. We have a whole nother pack, baby, to kind of play with this, cut it up, and kind of put in between wherever it need be. Okay? Why did he have to do me like that? Say nah. So that I get to that line, that inner corner, it's like stop. Whatever my body's telling me, stop, stop. And unfortunately, I'm fighting it, saying, we're almost there. Stay strong, baby. We're almost there. Okay, TrinaWild. Okay, TrinaWild, you doing something right now. What you doing? That. Right now, I'm just kind of filling in the gaps that I feel like need a little bit of touching up. So on top of my lashes, this is where I go on top. Same exact process though. Nothing too crazy, but it's there. It's in your face. It's like, okay, Trina, I see you. I see the lashes. I see them. This is how it looks under, and this is how it looks on top. Okay, so now let me get all cute, dolled up, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys the final product. Ready? Y'all, look what happens to me when I burn that case. Ready? Go. I just did a whole hybrid set on a budget for about, I didn't even spend $20 on this. And it looks just as good as if I would have gotten it done by Sally next door. You feel me? So, TrinaWild is nothing but truth, tears, and triumph, okay? If you want more of these videos, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you want to see at TrinaWild, okay? If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you appreciated the little trick that I gave you, okay? Until next time.